today we got a pretty fun one for upgrades and modifications. We're gonna be changing the look of the interior, making it a whole lot more modern. Steering wheel, dash cover, and wrapping all the interior trim pieces and swapping some of them out. For the steering wheel, we went with quite a good upgrade. A flat bottom leather steering wheel. It's got some perforated leather right here and then some normal black leather up top, but a lot better feel on this than the stock wood one that we have right there. And then we have a dash cover. Not just your typical Amazon dash cover. All of these are made custom to order. On my previous GX, I had this dash cover and loved it. I did it in the suede fabric. You'll see it in a second. This is gonna be our second upgrade. First up, we're doing the steering wheel and then dash cover. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'm gonna show you how to wrap all of your interior trim pieces to make them look amazing. Let's get started with the steering wheel. Pretty easy to take off. Just make sure you disconnect your negative battery. This is everything you need to take off the steering wheel. A T30 Torx bit, Phillips head screwdriver, 19mm, socket and wrench, and then something to pry with as well. But all we have to do is take off these little inlets right here. Same with the other side, and then that reveals a T30 that you take out, and that removes our airbag. After loosening up both those T30s, this should pop right out. And then you'll have to remove these two black and orange clips as well as the negative connection down there. Just get something to pry it up with. Oh. Taking off the rest of this is pretty easy. There will be a Phillips head right there, back there, right there, right there, and then two right here to take off your cruise control switch. And you will also have to take off this wiring harness right here. You can just grab in there with your thumb and remove it. Now you can go ahead and remove your cruise control switch, and then as well as these just pry right out after you remove the screws. There's just two clips holding them in, and same with this one. And then you have all your harnessing. Now all that's left to do is remove this 19mm nut. It might be stuck on there pretty good, so you might need to give it a couple of yanks. We'll see about this one. Take this off. All that's left to do is to take off your steering wheel. Just like that. Our steering wheel has been removed. Make sure you remember where it is, because you could easily put the new steering wheel on wrong and then your alignment will be off, but realistically the steering wheels are still off. So just make sure you remember where those steering wheels at. Before we put the new one on, make sure you take your trim off your old steering wheel and swap it to the new one. Now we just have to reinstall everything we took apart and throw our airbag back in. Just like that, our car looks like a 2025 brand new model from the dealership right now. Super easy install too. That's what I love about these nice, quick and easy installs that do so much. Up next, we're gonna protect the dash / cover up our cracked dash already and throw on a dash cover. Once again, as always, all products will be linked in the description below. This is our dash cover. We want the suede. Should look pretty nice on the dash. They do provide the adhesive strips to put on your dash, and then you put the dash cover on top of this. We're gonna throw the camera on a tripod and get this dash cover mounted up. Make sure you clean your dash so you can get good adhesion beforehand. What I ended up doing cutting these Velcro pieces into little pieces and then kind of putting them in all the corners that lift up. We're gonna go around and finish up the other side. That just looks so proper. Very happy with how it came out. Hides my dash crack. Protects it, even though it's already ruined. Overall, looks great. Cue some B-roll of what we've done. Now we have to do the interior trim, or show you how to do that. Love these upgrades. Makes the car look like a new car. Less outdated, more new. To see how I removed the trim, I made a full video on wrapping the interior trim pieces, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna skip right to the wrapping part. It's fun when you're doing like a car. Our first piece is done. We are going to attempt to do the hardest piece. This is where all your buttons and shifter is, so looks very intricate. We're going to give it our best shot. So we're going to get sanding it down and then cut a piece for it. Looks pretty good. We're gonna put everything in, see if it looks proper still. This is our final product. That's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you enjoyed. Car looks brand new once again. New trim, dash cover, new steering wheel. 3 keys to success with your GX interior. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stick around, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video with the GX. Drive safe.